Want to accept donations on your WordPress site? This is the fastest free way to do it, from nothing to a working donation page. Let's set it up step by step. First, install the plugin. In your dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New and search for Charitable. Click Install Now, then Activate. That is the free version. Everything we do next is included. Now let's create your first campaign. Go to Charitable, then Campaigns, and click Add New. Charitable opens a library of ready-made templates. Pick the one that fits your cause. We'll choose Animal Sanctuary and click Create Campaign. The builder opens on the Design tab, where you shape your page with simple blocks. Give your campaign a clear name up top. Then click the description and tell your story, who you are and what a donation makes possible. You can add a photo, a progress bar, or a share button right on the page. Next, open Settings. Under General, set your fundraising goal and choose an end date. Then open donation options and add a few suggested amounts so donors can give in one click. You can also let them enter a custom amount. Now choose how you'll get paid. Go to Charitable, then Settings, then Payment Gateways. Stripe is ready in test mode, so you can try everything before going live. You can also turn on offline donations to accept checks or cash. When your campaign looks good, click Publish, then Save. Charitable gives it its own donation page right away. You can also embed it on any page, a new page, or a single block. And there it is, your donation page is live. Donors see your story, your goal, and your suggested amounts with a big Donate button. When someone clicks Donate, they get a simple, secure donation form. They choose an amount, enter their details, and give. We're still in test mode, so no real money moves. Just flip that off when you're ready to go live. Want to go deeper? Charitable's Start Here guide has you covered. It walks through the setup wizard, payment gateways, your first campaign, and answers to over 40 of the most common questions. That is it. Your WordPress site can now accept donations for free. For more nonprofit WordPress guides, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.